will turn attention to the bride's father and start passing on cigarettes to him for the same order and roles as stated earlier in the kinship and towels. Cigarettes can then be passed to any other adults in the house. When the Plamekong, best man and groom are done, the Mekong, who are the Plame, will inform the parents that recital to tell them of the significance of the cigarettes. The recital incorporates the sun and moon's beauty, marriage and life, the attraction of the groom to the bride, informing the family that there is an intention for marriage, and asks for their Mekong and clan leaders to start the negotiation process for the wedding. Time is then given for the groom or the bride's parents to send a messenger to fetch those people and wait for their arrival. When everyone has arrived, the Dumei will bring the umbrella to the Plame, and the Plame will recite the kinships again for another round of katals. After the katal, the Plame will pass out more cigarettes to Dukdok Songdok, or director of weddings, for the bride's family. Say a recital and ask the director of weddings and bride's parents for a table. One more round of katal may take place. The family can either bring out the table and set it up, or ask the groom's party to sing Zhak Ji Dong, or a song to establish the table. When the table has been set up, this is the start of the actual wedding and negotiation. The family can ask the groom's party to sing Zhak Ji Chong, song to establish the wedding, in which the Plame will have to sing before negotiations take place. Once the wedding negotiations, the groom's relatives and clan leaders may join the party at a location in the house separate from the bride's family and start negotiations. The Mekongs act as mediators and messengers between each family, acting as their representatives or spokesperson. Before they exchange the messages, they tend to start off with saying, Lu Sha Ge Nian Zi Hai Yun, which translates to, the message from the parents is that then they will deliver the message to discussion. The Plame will start off by telling the Dumei in a recital that talks about the interest in marriage and asks for the assistance in case they should run into any difficulties in the wedding. After that, the Plame will kowtow to the Dumei, and then they will each drink a cup of alcohol. And the whole negotiation process continues back and forth with the exchange of Lu Sha and drinking of alcohol.